Alright, so this is the stereo MOSFET amplifier with a Bluetooth FM radio kit, and today's video what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the backside input connection to the remote control. First of all, let me explain. There are three input at the back, as you've seen before. There it is. This one is a preamplifier. It's for auxiliary input, and this for DVD. All these are the same connections, and you can see only three wires are going to the input here, so they all are connected, so it doesn't matter what's written in the back. But here, this corner side, this connections to top and bottom, left and right. I'm going to connect this to this FM kit. Let me tell you the reason. There is a auxiliary input here, you can see. There it is, the socket here. So you can connect a 3.5mm card here and connect anything, your mobile phone or whatever, anything, and then you can control this kit using this remote. Volume control, you can use the volume control here from remote. So but if you connect back here stereo, you just can use this volume control here manually, so you cannot control this volume from far distance. But if you connect here auxiliary input at the front, you can increase the volume here, and then you can reduce the volume there to this preamp kit using this volume control, and then you can control it as you want using this remote. So that is a good thing, but the problem is we connected 3.5mm jack here at the front is pretty clean, and the cord here from there will go somewhere that will look odd, and I don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect this input from here to this kit's input. Let me show you that. You can see the three connections from here going to this kit. This is the output connection, goes from here to this selection switches, and from here it goes to this tone control kit, and from there it goes to the amp. So this is the output, and beside that, that is the input here. From this side you can see, hopefully you can see that now. This is the L in, is the ground, and the R in. So I'm gonna connect three wires from here to there. That's it. It's a pretty simple job, and for that I'm gonna use this 5 color wires from scale, and I'm gonna use 3 of them, and also I'm gonna use a heat shrink tube. So that's it. Let's just do this. Alright, here at this FM kit I've connected the green as a left, and the yellow as right, and the blue as ground. So now let's glue this connection here. Alright, as you can see, I have connected this, and here I'm on the kit and glued all screws here. So the work is done now, and I have time to test it. So this is a RCA to 3.5mm card. I'm going to connect the RCA here. Now let's turn it on. Alright, now here you can see the mode is in aux now. So now let's connect this to this mobile here, and let's play some songs. So you can see that is connected back there and to this mobile phone, and the audio is going through this preamp kit here in this FM Bluetooth kit. So now let's check the volume control. You can see volume decreased and now increasing. So now I can increase the volume, the manual volume here, like a bit higher, and then I can control the volume using this remote to the kit here from far distance. So, and also at the front there is no wire, no card, nothing like that. So this is a good thing, and it was a pretty easy job to do. So that's it. That's how you can connect your Bluetooth MP3 kit's auxiliary port to the back RCA socket here, and so the front there will be no card, nothing, and you can use the remote to change the volume. So that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, see you in the next video. Bye bye.